I know I speak for everyone when I say we desire growth. We are individuals that strive to live a life full of accomplishments and purpose. But at times that can seem so far out of reach when we lack the resources, the finances, and the mentorship. I learned super early on in my career that it's not about what I can accomplish, but what can we accomplish that actually pushes our culture forward, that pushes our people forward. And so you should never measure a company's success by just how much money they make, but the impact they create. At Crow Bible, we have dedicated ourselves to ensuring that small businesses have opportunity. And I'm not just talking about a seat at the table you've been given permission to sit at, but one you earned through hard work, its results, and your leadership. The small businesses that power Crow Bible don't just believe in themselves, but they've trusted us to do what we do best, to market, to advertise, and to distribute their product. The success at Crow Bible has blessed and scaled so many small businesses just as the vision expected. We've watched women finally be able to quit their full-time jobs to work their company. We've watched brands go from selling 5 products in 2 days to 500 in just 2 hours. And so I am proud to announce that after a year of innovation, vendor applications are open. We are on the search for the newest brands to take over the beauty world with us. We believed it, we've done it, and now it's time for you to join us.